In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open, review, and submit a VAT return. We'll go through the full process in a simple, clear way so you can confidently check your figures and send your return to HMRC without missing anything important. To begin, open the VAT return section in your accounting system. From the main menu, go to Accounting, then Reports, and select VAT Return. This is where you'll find the return summary for the period you want to file. If you use this area regularly, it can be helpful to double check that you're in the correct company file before reviewing any tax information, especially if you manage more than one business account. Once the VAT return page is open, the next thing to do is set the correct tax return period. Make sure you choose the exact filing period that matches the return you're preparing. This step matters because all of the VAT values shown in the report depend on the date selected. If the wrong period is chosen, the totals may be incomplete or include transactions that don't belong in that submission. Take a moment here to confirm the dates carefully before moving on. After that, review the VAT calculations in detail. Go through the values shown in box 1 through box 9 and cross-check them for accuracy. This is an important quality check before anything is submitted. Look for anything unexpected, such as unusually high or low totals, missing amounts, or figures that don't match what you were expecting based on your recent sales and purchases. If needed, compare the numbers with your underlying transaction reports or supporting records so you can be comfortable that each box reflects the correct data. When you're satisfied that the return is accurate, you're ready to submit it to HMRC. Click File VAT Return with HMRC. The system will then prompt you to enter your government gateway credentials. For security, make sure you enter your own login details directly into the secure sign-in screen and avoid sharing sensitive information in documents or messages. Once authenticated, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the submission. Before you finish, it's a good idea to wait for confirmation that the return has been successfully filed. If a confirmation reference or submission status appears, keep a record of it for your files. That way you have proof of submission if you need to refer back to it later. That's the full process for opening a VAT return, checking the figures, and filing it with HMRC accurately and securely.